This is incredible. This is incredible. Plus, don't forget about your furry friends. It's Valentine's Day. Some local chefs are cooking up a special meal for your dog.
Oh,
it's
for
called
your dog.
Pasta.
P-A-W-S.
T-A, pasta.
Pasta. Good day, Sacramento. I'm Kelly Chapman. Your furry friends can also enjoy Valentine's Day. New this hour, how your pooch can get a very special
Valentine's Day is just around the corner. It's a day to share with someone special in your life. But what about your pet? Yes, they too can enjoy a Valentine's meal. Justin and Chris are here to show us how to make pasta.
Pasta. You're saying it right too. Yeah, we got Justin and Chris. Don't forget what's his name?
Carlos Fuentes.
Carlos is going to be eating this meal, Cody. Yeah, a lot of people, love their pets, of course, like family members. They want to celebrate Valentine's Day. So how about a little gourmet, something a little special in the doggy bowl this Valentine's Day, right, Justin?
That's right. Today we're making actually pasta for dogs.
Pasta? Look at it, okay? You would never know that this is dog food. Actually, humans could probably eat this too, I'm thinking.
Absolutely. Everything that's in this food is 100% human grade.
So I'm looking flour, right?
Flour, that's correct.
Carrots.
Carrots, yams.
Yams.
Beets.
Beets. Okay. And is that all that goes in?
This stuff goes into the sauce.
Okay.
And then, of course, the flour we use for the dough.
Okay. And you actually roll it out as if you're making...
I do.
Yeah. Homemade pasta.
That's
Here it
right.
is for
You
the dog. Just roll it out.
Roll it out like you would any standard pasta.
Now, you guys do this for dogs. Your company is called Vibra Pet.
Vibra Pet, that's correct.
What else do you do besides the spaghetti and sauce for dogs? What else?
Well, we have a main meal that we produce that's called... we like to call it Carlos stew.
And that's Carlos.
Carlos,
It's a complete
wow,
and
you
balanced
are a
meal.
cover dog too. So what goes into the meal?
That is chicken, green beans, carrots, potatoes, rice, and then we actually have it formulated so that it meets all the AAFCO standards, so it's a complete and balanced meal.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Now, would you recommend giving this to your dog once a day, twice a day?
I would recommend twice a day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you implement other foods, any dry foods with this, or is this strictly their diet?
You can, but you don't have to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Very
Carlos
gourmet.
was a rescue dog that we found, and he was real sick. And so we actually got him at the animal control.
Okay.
And he was real sick, and we couldn't get him to eat any of the food. He wasn't getting any better, so he's always been a cook and worked with dogs a lot.
So this is how it came about?
Yep.
Carlos was the inspiration.
That's why he's on the label.
Oh my gosh. All right, Justin, well, you're going to roll this out. This is actually the end product. I just want to kind of show some of this right here. This is the pasta. And it comes pre-cooked, right?
It comes pre-cooked,
right?
that's right.
If they buy it directly from you.
Yep.
And then here's the sauce. And then this is ever so gourmet because you've got a couple little
Meatballs.
doggy meatballs
Yes,
on
those are turkey
top.
meatballs.
And what's this? Is this some sort of dessert here on the side?
Yeah, that's just a little doggy-shaped cookie.
Okay.
Or bone-shaped cookie, I should say.
Okay. Has Carlos eaten breakfast this morning yet?
This is his breakfast.
Can I give it to him?
Unless you want it.
Yeah. Unless I want it. Well, I am kind of hungry. All right. Carlos, here, buddy. Thank you for coming on. What about the garnishing? I'm going to take the garnishing
that's
off.
good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Here, Carlos. Look at his tail is wagging. Hi, buddy.
And he's the official taste tester for our company.
Oh, he likes it. I'm impressed. Most animals come in here, with all the lights and people, they're kind of hesitant, but he loves it. How can people get in touch with you, Justin? This is a fabulous idea.
Well, they can contact us at our website.
Okay.
It's www.vibrapet, vibrapet.com, or they can call us at 601-6426. That's the 916 area code.
Cool. We are going to link all your information up to our website, gooddaysacramento.com, so people get in touch with you. What would you say, what have the dogs told you is their favorite meal from you guys?
I think the most popular meal is the complete and balanced meal that we do.
This one?
Yes, that is the.
How much would this cost?
That runs $3.50.
Not bad, a whole meal.
That's a whole. Well, it depends on the size of the dog.
Yeah.
If you have a small dog,
That's
you
true.
can get 3 or 4 meals
Couple
out
meals
of that.
out of it.
Yeah.
Well worth most people's best friend, somebody you love, of course, your animal. Just for dogs, or do you do other animals too? Cats?
Just for dogs right now.
Just dogs right now.
Yes.
Okay. Carlos, thank you so much. He is.
He likes it. He really likes
Gonna
it.
lick that bowl clean, Cody.
He's got a good job.
Vibra
Yes, he
Pet.
does.
Check him out.
Thanks, you guys. Great idea.
Thank you.